Ever pondered over the shortcomings in today's transaction systems? Ever wished for a more secure, transparent, and efficient way of conducting transactions? A technology that can revolutionize the way we do business, transact, and interact is already here. It's blockchain technology. Imagine a public ledger accessible by anyone, unchangeable once written, and decentralized. That's blockchain in a nutshell. A decentralized and distributed ledger system, recording transactions across a network of computers in a secure, transparent, and immutable manner. Now let's delve into the key elements that make blockchain tick. First off, decentralization. Instead of a central authority, blockchain operates on a peer-to-peer basis. Multiple nodes or computers participate, each maintaining a copy of the entire blockchain. It's a democratic process where power is not concentrated but distributed. Next are the blocks, the building blocks of this technology. Transactions are grouped together in blocks, each containing a list of validated transactions. Once a block reaches a certain capacity, it's added to the chain, hence the term blockchain. Each block contains a unique cryptographic hash, a digital fingerprint, if you will, generated based on the contents of the block. This hash connects each block to the previous one, forming an unbroken, secure chain. To maintain the integrity of the ledger and agree on the validity of transactions, blockchains use consensus mechanisms. Bitcoin, for instance, uses proof of work, where nodes solve complex mathematical problems to validate transactions. Other mechanisms like proof of stake are also used in different blockchain systems. Once a block is added to the blockchain, it becomes extremely difficult to alter. Changing the data in one block would require changing all subsequent blocks, which is practically infeasible due to the cryptographic links between blocks. This is what we call immutability. All transactions on the blockchain are visible to every participant in the network. However, the actual identities of the transacting parties are often encrypted, providing a level of privacy. This transparency ensures trust among the participants. Then comes smart contracts. Self-executing contracts with the terms directly written into code. They automatically execute and enforce the terms of an agreement without third-party intermediaries. It's like having a robot lawyer that never sleeps. Blockchain technology finds application in various industries such as finance, supply chain, healthcare, real estate, and more. It ensures secure and transparent record-keeping, reducing the need for intermediaries and enhancing the efficiency and security of transactions. However, like any technology, blockchain too has its challenges. Scalability, energy consumption, regulatory concerns, and interoperability among different blockchains continue to be subjects of research and development in the industry. Blockchain technology holds immense potential to transform the way we transact and interact. It's not just a buzzword, it's a revolution in the making. The future is here, and it's decentralized.